Hi, good evening. I'm Ralph Leonard C. Badua from 1Y2-5. Yeah, the case GR number 22430 decided on August 30, 2017 involves Transglobal Maritime Agency Incorporated, Goodwood Shipment Agency, PTE Ltd, and Michael Staniel as petitioner and Vincent D. Chua Jr. as the respondent. The case typically revolves around employment and labor disputes, especially concerning claims for disability benefits, as is common in maritime law cases in the Philippines. Vincent D. Chua Jr. likely worked as seafarer under the employment of the petitioners. The dispute may have involved claims for disability benefits, compensations, or other entitlements under the seafarer's employment contract and the Philippine labor laws. The key issues in this case study is eligibility for benefits, whether Vincent D. Chua Jr. was entitled to disability benefits as per his employment contract, and relevant legal standards. Medical evaluation, the role of medical assessment in determining the extent of disability, and the validity of the claims for compensation. The case may involve determining the extent of the seafarer's disability, whether the medical assessment provided by the company doctor was conclusive, and whether the respondent complied with the procedures for filing a disability claim. So, the Supreme Court assessed whether the lower courts correctly applied the law regarding disability claims, and whether the petitioner fulfied their obligation under the contract and applicable regulation. Decision, the decision court, The court's ruling addressed the proper interpretation of the employment contract and validity of medical evaluation, and the compliance with procedural requirements for disability claims. For a detailed understanding of the case's outcome and the legal reasoning, consulting the official court decision or legal reports will be necessary. The employment contract, the key points from this case study is the employment contract. Yeah. Employment contract, the seafarer's rights and obligation were outlined in his employment contract. This contract likely included the provisions related to disability benefits and the Philippine labor laws. The law case also considered relevant Philippine labor laws such as the Philippine Overseas Employment Administration or POEA. Yes, POEA. Standard employment contract, which sets as to minimum standard for the employment of overseas Filipino workers, and also a medical assessment. The seafarer's entitlement to disability benefits depends on the severity and nature of his disability. Medical assessments plays a crucial role in determining whether his condition qualified for benefits. And procedural requirements. The case may have also addressed procedural issues such as whether the seafarers complied with the proper procedures for filing a disability claim. Yeah. Thank you.